What's up guys, it's Rahul here from Crazy Science Geeks, and today I'm going to be talking about how I made my own computer within 20,000 rupees. Yes, that's correct. I made it within 20,000 rupees and I shall be sharing with you how I did it. So let's get into the video. This right here is my computer and let's open it up and see what it has inside it. So it opens up like this. So this is my computer and it needs electricity. Here's the keyboard and the mouse and I turn it on. So let's see what it has inside it. So this is what the computer looks like. Here's a 22-inch BenQ monitor. That's an eye care monitor which does not put strain on your eyes. This right here is a Raspberry Pi being cooled by two CPU fans, and these are the adapters for the lights and fans to work. And this box has been secured by L brackets on all sides, as you can see here, L brackets here. And these are the four switches. The main is a power on off switch. This is a fan on off switch. This is a light switch, so you can turn on and off the lights. And this is a fuse. This right here is a fuse so that the parts of the computer do not get damaged. Here's the keyboard and the mouse, and here I have a USB hub. So to make a computer like this, all you need is a screen, a Raspberry Pi, a keyboard, mouse, and the casing is optional for this, and of course a power supply for the Raspberry Pi. And that's it. You connect the Raspberry Pi to the screen using an HDMI cable. That's a micro HDMI, sorry. And I'm so sorry for the noise, but the noise is not in my hands, it's being produced by the fans here. And you can use one fan as well, but I prefer using two fans so that the Raspberry Pi stays cool. And that's it. That is everything that you need to make a computer like this. So the casing here is made of acrylic sheets, and it has been secured by L brackets here, as you can see the L brackets on the sides, and these are the power main on off buttons. This right here is a power button, this is a fan on off button, and this is the button for lights. So I've installed lights here. If you want, that's totally optional, but the fan is compulsory because the Raspberry Pi gets heated up. And that's it. You boot the operating system that you want in the Raspberry Pi, and that's it. You're ready to go. The first time booting may take a little while, but from the next time onward, it will be perfect. And that's everything that you need to make a computer like this. So this right here is my computer, and talking about the specifications of Raspberry Pi, it has 8 gigs of RAM and an ARM Cortex A72 CPU, which is an ARM architecture based CPU, and I have installed Kali Linux as the operating system in this, and so I can do almost anything here, like what a normal computer does. So I can browse the internet. Here is Mozilla Firefox, and I can write commands on here. I can make codes in this, and I can do almost everything that a normal computer does, except for gaming, because Raspberry Pi does not support gaming because it does not have a heavy GPU. And it also does not support external GPU. So that's my computer, and talking about the cost of the computer, a Raspberry Pi costs around 6500 rupees, and the monitor costs more than the CPU, that's the Raspberry Pi. That's 8000 the monitor costs, and the total is 14,500, and miscellaneous things such as the case and everything else that you use here will be around 3,000 rupees, and that's it. That's all. That's less than 20,000 rupees. And this is a fully functional computer. You can see here, I can use YouTube here. I can do almost everything I want. So if you're on a budget and you want to build a computer, the Raspberry Pi is the best option for you. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and if you like the video, make sure you click the subscribe button so you get notified that whenever I upload a new video. And if you like the video, press the like button. That will encourage me to make more such videos. Thank you so much.